Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to stop promotional mail flooding your Gmail inbox without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Gmail app on your phone. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to take a look at the particular promotional mail that always flooded to your Gmail. Like for instance, I'm going to search for Medium, so you can see there are promotional mails right here. Just like what you see right here. These are all promotional mails. So from your end, it might be another domain entirely. So how can you stop this? So you can see another one right here. So how can you stop this? First thing first, I'm going to close this tab right here. And the next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and make sure I come to the top right here, click on this three slider. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on manage subscriptions. Then from the subscription right here, you want to make sure that you look for the same domain name. Go ahead and click on it. And you have all their mails right here. You can see how Medium mail is being flooded to my Gmail right here. Next thing we want to do is to go back right here. And then we want to make sure we unsubscribe to them first. That's the first thing we want to do right now. So for that, we want to make sure we click on this particular icon right here. Click on that. Do you want to stop getting messages from all mailing lists from Medium? Go ahead and click on unsubscribe. Unsubscribing from all mailing lists, just like so. And the next thing we want to do here is to make sure we click on this particular profile icon. The next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on manage your Google account. The next thing we want to do is to scroll down right here and we make sure we click on third-party apps and services. Then the next thing we want to do here is to scroll down and we make sure under third party we look for the same domain name, which is Medium. So go ahead and click on it. It may be another domain name entirely from your own end. Scroll down right here and make sure you click on delete all connection you have with Medium. Then go ahead and click on confirm right here. And you are done. It's that simple. With that, this particular domain name, you will no longer get mails from them any longer into your Gmail box. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.